Hey you all, so I thought I filmed this review, but apparently I did not, and I'm really agitated because I'm almost certain I recorded it, and I thought I'd uploaded it, maybe I accidentally deleted it, or maybe I just didn't film it at all. But, I wanted to show you guys that I got another pair of shoes from Aminah Abdul Jillil. This time, I got the Tuxedo flats. So this is silver. It comes across yellowish for some reason in this light, but it's silver. I think I'm gonna like this fabric a lot more than I like the fabric on my bow flats because it already feels way more durable. We'll see. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna wear her shoes like anywhere that I have to do like a substantial amount of walking outside. Now, if I'm walking inside, that's different, but like outside where there's concrete and stuff, because my bow flats, the satin got scuffed a little bit, and satin is very finicky. But it's not too bad. Anyway, I just don't want to try this material, although it would probably hold up better than the satin did. If you saw my bow flats review, which was combined with probably like I combined it with my minted makeup review, but I ended up having to walk home from somewhere I ended up walking further than I expected. I just went out for a bit and was out longer than I expected. But anyway, so I walked a lot more in my satin bow flats, and the satin got a little bit worn. Was not thrilled about that. But anyway, I do love those shoes, and I really love these for summer. I just had to get another pair. You guys hopefully know I love supporting Black businesses. I love supporting Black luxury businesses. So this is nice leather. I think her shoes are made in Italy. And the ankle strap, you can see how it will, like, it goes around the ankle when it's on. So yeah, I'm so excited to wear these. But these are my tuxedo flats. I believe they're still on sale if you visit her website, which I will put in the description. This is just a quick review because I thought I had posted it, and I know I had told some of you I was thinking about getting another pair. Well, I did, and I went for the tuxedos. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and be well, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.